Need to turn your Word doc into a PDF fast? In this quick video, I'll show you 2 super simple ways to do it. No extra software required. Let's jump in. Here I am in Microsoft Word and I've got my document ready. To save it as a PDF, go to the File menu. Click Export, then choose Create PDF or XPS Document. Click Create PDF, name your file, and hit Publish. Done. Now you've got a polished PDF version of your Word document. Want another way? Go to File, then Save As. You can access the same window by clicking F12 on the keyboard. In the File Type dropdown, select PDF. Click Save, and boom, same result. And that's it. 2 quick ways to convert Word to PDF in just a few clicks. If this helps you, give it a like and subscribe for more simple office tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.